Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic that is GUI operating system. In last video you have learned about the types of computer system. Yes or no? What were the two types? The two types were hardware and software. Yes or no? Hardware means whatever we can touch. That is monitor, this one, keyboard. These are all hardware. And we cannot touch. That is software. Okay? Now today we are going to learn the topic. See in the topic that is GUI operating system. Okay, what does mean by operating system? First we will understand. What does mean by operating system? A computer has a special set of programs and which manages all the job of a computer and it makes it on known as operating system. A computer has a special set of programs. It has a special set of programs which manages all the jobs of a computer. It manages all the jobs of a computer. It manages the computer system. That is known as operating system. For example, you're watching TV. Yes or no? In the TV, I will remove that software. In TV, I will remove that software of the TV. Okay, inside. Then the computer will work over. No. Why? Because it will not. The software is not there. The software is not present, so the computer will not work. That's why we need an operating system for it. For example, Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. These are all what? Operating system. Okay, what are the example of operating system? Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. These are all what? Operating system. Alright, what is mean by operating system? Means to do a particular task. A computer has a special set of programs which manages all jobs of a computer and it makes an operating system. This is known as operating system. Got it? The next topic it is user interface. What does mean by user interface? User interface, what does the word means? User. User means which we are the user, which is being we and you are using it. Interface means to interact with to both of them. User interface which we are interacting with to communicate. That is known as interface. Okay, the user interface has been divided into two types. That is CLI and GUI. It is divided into two types, that is CLI and GUI. CLI and GUI. What is the full form of CLI? That is command line interface. What is the full form of CLI? That is command line interface. And what is the full form of GUI? That is graphical user interface. What is the full form of GUI? That is graphical user interface. Okay, what is the full form of GUI? That is graphical user interface, and CLI, that is command line interface. Okay, now we will understand what is mean by CLI and GUI. Okay, what does mean by CLI? CLI means it is command. Okay, we are going to command means to communicate by text or message. To communicate by text or message. How we are connecting? By communicating by text or message. That is known as command line interface. We are giving command means we are texting the messages by interacting to communicate with by messages. That is known as command line interface. And what is the use of GUI? What does mean by GUI? To communicate by pictures or video. To communicate by pictures or video, that is known as GUI. What is the full form of CLI? That is command line interface, and GUI, it is graphical user interface. Okay, command line interface by communicating by text message. An example, it is DOS. Okay, and GUI by communicating by pictures or video, that is known as GUI, that is graphical user interface. You understood what is user interface? User interface means to communicate with each other, to interact with each other. Okay, and that has been divided into two types, that is CLI and GUI. Now today the next topic, that is Windows 7. The next topic, that is Windows 7. What is meant by Windows? Windows means the first, when you're on the computer, that time first the screen which is coming, that is Windows 7. Windows 7 you're using, yes or no? Windows 7 is been there. Windows 7 is an operating system developed by Windows. World leading software it is. Okay, it is a software, Windows 7. Okay, Windows, it was being released on October 22, 2009. 22 October 2009 it was been released. Okay, it provides GUI that makes the interaction between the computer very easy. For interacting to the computer, it has been made very easy. That is, Windows 7 has made the interaction very easily. Okay, this is the topic that is today we have learned. What was the topic? That is GUI GUI operating system. That is, what is the full form of GUI? That is graphical user interface. Okay, graphical user interface. What is operating system? It is a set of programs which manages all the jobs of computer and it makes an operating systems. Okay, what are the example of operating system? That is Windows, Mac, Linux. These are the operating system. Okay, what are the two interface? What is mean by interface? Interface means to interact, to communicate. Okay, interface has been divided into two types, that is CLI and GUI. What is CLI? Full form, command line interface. We are giving command. Command means for the interaction by the text message. It is simple. Okay. And what is GUI? GUI, it is a graphical user interface. It communicates by pictures and videos. Okay. And Windows 7, it was been released on the 22 2009, October 2009. Okay. It provides GUI to interact very easily. That's why. Okay.